What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to remove the tailgate from a 2003 Ford Ranger. Like I said, it's an '03 Ranger in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So the first thing we need to do is open the tailgate, and then we kind of want to let it rest on your leg or your hip a little bit to keep the pressure off these two cables that we need to remove, one on each side. How we're going to remove these cables is, I like to use a flathead screwdriver. You may be able to do this with your finger. But if you see that little tab there, you need to pick up on that tab, and then the whole thing will push up and allow it to clear that little bolt. Do the same thing over here. Pick up on that tab, and then slide that whole piece up. Once you get those two cables unhooked, what we're going to do is, when you want this at about a 45-degree angle, and then it's going to pull straight towards you. And if you see here, this is what this slot right here is fitting on. So that's why it has to come off at that angle. And then on the other side, it's just going to slide right off. So we're going to pull straight to our right. Like that. And that's all the way off. So now to put it on, we'll reverse everything we just did. We need to line up the left side first, and this round part's just going to fit right on it. Like that. And then we need to come over here and again line that slot up. Like that. And then just put your two cables back on. And when you're putting them back on, you don't need to move the tab up. It'll just press on like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.